Being accused of rape is an extremely serious and distressing situation. Allegations can arise suddenly, and the consequences can be immediate and far-reaching. For many people, the impact is felt straight away in their personal life, their career, their family, and their reputation. If you have been contacted by the police or are under investigation, it is vital to seek expert legal advice immediately. This is not the kind of allegation that should ever be dealt with casually or without specialist support. Early decisions can have a major effect on how the case develops, which is why proper advice at the outset is so important. At Liberty Defence, we act for clients facing rape allegations from the earliest stage of a case. That may mean advice before a police interview, representation during an investigation, or defending a client who has already been charged. In every situation, our role is to protect your position, explain the process clearly, and begin building the right defence strategy as early as possible. Rape allegations often involve difficult and highly sensitive issues. In many cases, the central question is consent. In others, the issues may include what happened, what was said, whether there is supporting evidence, and how the allegation is being investigated. These are rarely straightforward cases, and they need to be approached with care, strategy, and a close understanding of the evidence. Evidence can include phone messages, social media, forensic material, CCTV, witness accounts, and interview evidence. In some cases, there may be digital material that supports one side or the other. In others, the focus may be on the accounts given by the people involved and how those accounts fit with the wider evidence. Looking at that material properly from the beginning is a key part of preparing a strong defence. That is one reason why early legal advice matters so much. What you say to the police, how you respond to contact, and how the evidence is approached at the beginning of the case can all affect what happens later. Mistakes made at that stage can be difficult to undo. A properly handled interview, the right advice before contact with the police, and an early understanding of the evidence can all make a real difference. It is also important to remember that every allegation must be proved. The prosecution bears the burden of proof, and a case must be examined carefully and properly on its own evidence. A strong defence requires close attention to the facts, the evidence, and the wider context of the allegation. These cases are not decided by accusation alone, which is why careful preparation matters. At Liberty Defence, we provide confidential, non-judgmental advice to clients facing rape allegations and to families trying to support them. We understand how overwhelming these situations can be, and we are here to guide you through them with clarity and care. For many people, simply having clear advice and a proper understanding of the process can make the situation feel more manageable. If you have been accused of rape, asked to attend a police interview, or charged with an offence, speak to Liberty Defence as soon as possible. We are here to help you understand your position, protect your rights, and take the right next step.